Good afternoon, children. Today I am going to start chapter 6 of your computer book. The name of the chapter is More on MS Word 2010. In this chapter, we will know about inserting smart art, inserting header and footer, inserting page number, and working with tables. So now let's come to the chapter. Now, first of all, let's know about inserting smart arts. Children, smart art illustrates text in colorful blocks and it thus makes an impact in the document. To insert a smart art, follow these steps. The first step is place the cursor in the document where you want the graphic to appear. And the next step is click insert tab, select the smart art option in the illustrations tab. Then choose a smart art graphic dialog box appears. Then after, children, select a category on the left of the dialog box and review the smart art graphics that appear in the center. Then after, click the graphic to select and click OK button. This is, children, this is the OK button. Okay, after click the graphic and then after select OK, click OK. Okay, children. Next, add text to a smart graphic. How we add text to the smart graphic? Children, to add a text a smart art, follow the steps. The first step is select the graphic. The first text box is selected. The cursor appears in the text box in the task pane on the left of the graphics. Okay. Then after, enter text into the task pane fields. The information will appear in the graphics. For example, you can see here text, and then you type your text, then after it will be, the information will be appeared in the graphics. Okay, children. There is another way of inserting text is first click to close the task pane and enter text into the first text box in the graphic and continue to enter text in the other text box. Okay, children, and observe the text you enter automatically resize to fit inside the box. Next, children, look here, the chart shows comparisons. It is a graphic representation of data. You can clearly see the differences in the values. Okay, children. Next, header and footer. Children, headers and footers provide information appear at the top. The information that appears on the top that is provided by header, or at the bottom the information that is appeared at the bottom is provided by footer of every page in a document. Okay, children. First, let's know about header. Children, headers show at the top of every page. It is 1/2 inch from the top edge of the page. Headers can be used to detail document titles or other information. Next, let's know about footer. Footer shows at the bottom of every page. It is 1/2 inch from the bottom edge of the page. Footers can be used to provide page number and date information. Okay, children. Now let's know about creation of header and footer. How we create a header and how we create a footer. To create header and footer, we will have to follow these steps. The first step is click the insert tab and click either the header or footer. You can click either header or footer option in the header and footer group. A list appears when you click insert tab and click header or footer, then a list appears. Okay children. Next, after this, click one of the options and it will appear in the document like this. Okay, you can see here children, this is the header and footer, inserting header and footer folder. Now the design tab with header and footer tools is active. Okay, type information into the header or footer. Insert the date or time into header or footer. How we insert the date and time? Let's know. With the header or footer section active, click the date and time. When your header and footer section is active, then you click date and time option. Okay children. Next, select, when you click on the time, date and time option, then you will find an interface like this. Okay, here this is the interface. When you click on the date and time, then you select a date format in the date and time dialog box. Then after you will have to click on OK button. Okay children, then click OK button. Children, the date and time now appears on the documents. Date and time will be appeared on your document. Next, children, page number in the footer header. How we enter the page number in the header and footer? The command insert a page number into the document. To insert page numbers, follow these steps. The first step is click the insert tab. First of all, you will have to click insert tab. Then click page number in the header and footer group. A menu appears with a list of built-in options you can use. And the second is click one of the available options. The page number with that style will appear the document. Next, working with tables. Tables. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Okay, tables are useful for presenting text and numbers. Inserting a table. How we insert the table in the documents? To insert a table, follow these steps. First of all, click the insert tab. When you open any Microsoft Word document, then you will have to open a new page, and in the new page, if you want to insert the table, then first of all you will have to click, where you will have to click? First of all you will have to click the insert box. Okay, the insert, and then after, when you click on the insert tab, then you will see the interface like that. Then click the table. After clicking on the table, you will see table box. Okay, then you can select the rows and columns from this table. Okay, you will select from here the numbers of columns and the numbers of rows. Okay, choose the number of rows and columns by dragging the mouse over the squares here. When you drag your mouse here, then you will select the rows and the columns. Okay,